Well, good morning, good morning, good morning, scrappers, scrapettes, and my little scrapeteers. We are out here early. We're trying to beat Ellen. We got a storm coming, Ellen, and we're trying to beat it. So let's see what we can find. Morning. Let's see what we can find out here. I don't know. It's 6:15. It looks like garbage already came by. Oh my God. I guess because of the storm. But anyway, let's see what we can find. We'll turn this back on in a few minutes. As soon as we get to that first thing, that first item. A few items. This could be for, what is it? What do you call it? Umbrellas. Looks like it might be used for umbrellas. There you go. A few items at a time. We got a TV here. A big boy. Don't know if it works or not. We're gonna be gentle with it. Oops, that's not a good start. Oh man. All right. TCM. All right. And we got the cord. So that's always a plus. All right. Ooh, antique beach cruiser. All right. Let's get it in there. Right there. Let's keep on going down the road. We got two barbecues here. Let's get us two barbecues. Alright, that's clean. That's no problem. Let's get some of this off of here. It sounds like metal. We'll see in a minute. Yeah, that's metal. That's all metal. Okay. All right. No biggie. We'll put this one first. There we go. We'll put this one inside the other one. I put this one in first. I tried putting it the other way, it won't go, so we'll put it this way. And we'll put this one right on top. There we go. Just like that. It was gonna break anyway, so might as well. This weight keeps tripping me, but I want to keep it there for the TV, so we'll just keep dealing with it for right now. And there we go. Just so you don't go nowhere. All right. Let's tie this down and we're on our way. We are in the forbidden mobile home park. We're not supposed to be here, but yet we're here. As long as we keep it down low, we can stay. Let's get the stuff, put it in here, and continue. All right? Let's get it in here, and we continue on our way. Paper shredder. Let's get the paper shredder. And we'll cut the cord. All right. Let's keep all this going. No, there's nothing there. We got some stuff here. Let's get this stuff. Remember, we're not supposed to be here, so let's grab it and go. No. There you go. Crock pot, whatever it's called. All right, we got it. Let's go. Next, got a little rack here. Metal rack. Let's get the metal rack. Let's go. I think this is a metal chair. Yeah, metal chair. Hair dryer. And a piece of aluminum. All right. Yes, no issues. Let's go. We got a microwave here. Oof, I got a mess. And with the cord. So we'll cut the cord and we'll take the microwave. Here we go. All right, let's continue. Looks like it's gonna rain any moment. Came across a couple of things here. Lady's throwing it away, so let's organize our stuff. It's supposed to rain any minute, so let's get it going. Oh. All right, let's go. Nice and rolls. The wheels are good. All right, let's get some weight out of here. We'll put it on this side. Let's just put it right here. Ouch. Right there, I'll do just fine. Put this right in here. Get it out of the way for right now. Right there. And we'll see where can we stuff this? What is this? This is metal. It's not aluminum. Yeah, that's metal. What is the weight? Alright, here's another piece that we can get off. Less weight, the better. There we go. Alright, barbecue time. That's heavy. That's not stainless. That's heavy. That's way metal. All right. Come on. All right. There we go. Let's see if it gonna fit. Come on. All right, that's good enough. That's a woofer speaker. Let's put that right there. All right, just wait. Right there. All right. And my 2 aluminum pieces. All right, we got ourselves a chair here. Metal chair. Put it right in here. There we go. Oof. All right. I'll be right there. I'll be right there. He gave us some metal projector screen or something. All right, now, thank you. All right. Unit. Let's grab the AC unit real quick so we can get out of the driveway. Everybody's doing their thing. All right, we got ourselves a lamp. Let's get us a lamp. All right, there's too much rain. Way too much rain. So we're gonna call it. That's it. We're out of here. We'll continue this another day. There's no sense. All right, so everybody be safe.